Hey guys, it's Mike. Welcome back to my channel. Got another ExpressVPN video for you today, and I've got a killer deal to share. It's only good for a bit, so listen up. If you just wander over to their site without my link, you're out of luck, no discounts. But if you use the link in the description or the pinned comment, it's a whole different story. It takes you to a deal page with way better prices. Here's the rundown. 1 month plan, $12.95 a month. Billed every month. No savings. Still, you get a free 1 GB eSIM from holiday.com. 12-month plan, you get 3 extra months free, 15 months total for $6.67 a month. That's 48% off, $99.95 upfront, and a free 3 GB eSIM from holiday.com. People love this one. The big deal, 2 years plus 4 months free, 28 months. For $4.99 a month. That's 61% off, $139.72 upfront, and a free 5 GB eSIM from holiday.com. And check this out, every plan lets you try it for 7 days without paying up front. Plus, they've still got that 30-day money-back thing. If it's not your vibe, you get a full refund. No hassle. That's it for this one. If you're stuck trying to grab the deal, just yell at me in the comments. I'll sort you out. Like the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one. Peace.